Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Serena. Thank you so much for coming here again today. So as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be reviewing / installing this Dashley Hair Lace Unit 8 and the color is Money Piece Gold. I just got this from my local beauty supply store. I'm sure you can also get it online. I'll find a link somewhere and throw it in the description bar. But yeah, I'm going to install this hair, talk a little bit about it, review it. I have had this hair before, but I just wanted to install it on camera and show you guys how I do my wigs. So, let's get into this video. Okay, so this is my first time laying a wig on camera. Actually on YouTube. I've done it for like TikTok, but on YouTube, so please don't come for me. If you have any criticisms, please leave them below and I am more than willing to take a look at what critiques or advice, tips you may have. So again, this is the Dashley lace front wig. I got this at just my local beauty supply store, but I'm sure it's obviously online. And this is lace unit number 8, Money Piece Gold. It comes in, does it tell me how many other colors? I know there was like a Money Piece Blonde, 1B2, and then maybe a few other colors. Oh, here we go. Money Piece Blonde, Money Piece Gold. There's a Hazel, a T1B, BG, Jade, Copper, Mustard, Rose Gold, and Icy Lavender. Interesting. So this wig does have a deep center part and it comes with baby hairs, which I am not a baby hair perfection. Like, I cannot do baby hairs to save my life, so I'm glad this one already comes with baby hairs. Yeah, I just can't get it to save my life. So let's go ahead and open this wig. And again, this is the sensational Dashley hair, fast fashion meets hair. Opening the package, and I actually, what's the length? I think it may be like 20, does it tell you? So I mean, it is kind of long. I would go with like 22, maybe 24, but it's not like super long, like 30. But anyways, you guys know how wigs come with all of the packaging. Okay, and the hair is so soft. I've had this wig before, actually, fun fact, but I just wanted to lay it for you guys on camera. And I also wanted to try a new method when I was in the wig store. So one, I don't like to lay my wigs down if I don't have to with glue. I've been using this gel, I should have brought it up here. I'm using this gel, it's like olive oil gel, and I'll use that to lay it down, but I don't like using like a lot of glue if I'm not gonna keep the wig on for like a long period of time. I don't wanna, like, you know, hurt my edges, but anyways, the point of that, I found this double-sided silicone band. So it looks like almost like a headband, and I don't need glue, so I wanted to see if this actually worked. So if not, I will use that wig gel that I have. But this is the hair straight out of the package. This gold is so freaking pretty. I love it. And it has these like face framing pieces. Let me actually put the wig on so you guys can see what I mean by face framing. And I should know what kind of lace this is. Let me get that for you guys. 1 second. Let me put the little combs. Yep, so there's two, I believe 2 combs. Yep, 2 combs on each side, 1 in the back. And this wig fits so snug. It just fits my head perfectly. I love this wig. What kind of lace was this? Let me, I don't think it says, what kind of lace? But it says cap features baby hairs and it is hand tied. Yeah, it doesn't say what kind of lace. Anyways, I love this color, and this is what I meant by the face framing streaks right here. It's very in your face. It's blonder than the other pieces, but again, I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some bronzer underneath the cap to give us a more realistic scalp, and try this wig band and cut this lace. So I'm gonna fast forward through all of this right now. Okay, so now that I've cut the lace and I put this band on, I think what I honestly need to do is add more bronzer underneath the cap, but I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but this band is actually super light and it looks, I don't know if it looks weird. I feel like I notice it because it's obviously not the same color as my scalp or my wig cap, but let me see what it looks like on camera. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did my makeup off camera, and now you can see what the hair would look like with full glam. I love this color so much. Again, this is the Money Piece Gold. There's a Money Piece Blonde, and the blonde was like more platinum. I really like the browns of this. I feel like it goes really well with fall, and I'm still kind of like tiptoeing into blonde. Like, so this gold and brown is like gonna be my entryway into blonde. I don't know if I'm quite there yet, but this is I love this color so much. Again, it's the Dashley Lace Unit 8. Yeah, like I said, I've had this wig before and it did last for a pretty good time for it to be a synthetic wig. But again, I didn't wear it every single day. I didn't wear it to bed. I didn't have it installed like that. But for it to be a synthetic wig, it lasted a pretty long time. It doesn't knot easily or lace get tangled easily. So that is really good. I love that it's curly, has a nice little body. So I'm really feeling this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you get this wig or any other unit from Dashley, let me know. They are usually a pretty good company. Every wig that I've had from Dashley, it's been A1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.